All right. So today's question is if I purchase a domain from, for instance, Google or Namecheap, whatever, can I use both the domain for both email purposes and 2.2 funnels and websites, create subdomains, etc. So that is what I'm going to walk through here this morning. Now, regardless of what where you purchased your domain, again, whether it was from directly from Google, from I use WPX for all mine, but I mean Namecheap, there's so many. I'll also do another video on why you should use Cloudflare, but for this one I just want to focus on the records of the domain. And so just to kind of recap what the different records mean. So an A record points the root domain to an IP address, another platform, etc. A CNAME is for the subdomain. So you can have like www, that would be a CNAME. You can have go dot, that would be a CNAME. So A records are typically for the primary domain, the root domain. CNAMEs are for the subdomains, and then MX records are mail records. So to get email and everything set up. So in this case, if we want to set up, and I've blurred it out, but if we want to set up this domain into Fractal-CRM here, you can hit add domain, and it tells you what record you need to set up. So we would set up an A record. And again, it doesn't really matter where your domain is hosted. You should be able to go to DNS records, DNS settings, and be able to update these. Just click add record. You'll choose an A record. You can some places you type in the root or the @ symbol. Some you have to actually type it in, and then you would just type in, copy and paste the IP address there and save that. If you want to do a CNAME record here, you can do this, and then does it not let me click inside there? There we go. And then do www, for instance. And then the target again would be here, the flash.funnels, if you want to do that. Now for Google, these are the different MX. So this is for the email records. And so you can see, you can also go to G Suite, and when you go to set up MX records, you can do that as well. But basically it'll be the domain for the MX record, and you'll point it to these 5. So you do need all 5 to make sure the emails come through, and you can see the priorities there. It's pretty simple. You've got your primary one, then you've got some alternate ones just to make sure the emails come through. And so yeah, so that is it. Again, you can have really as many CNAMEs as you want. www, you could have go, you could have membership, you could have etc. Typically you're going to have one A record. Again, wherever the root, like the main domain, is pointing to, that would be your A record. So hope this helps kind of explain how to set up G Suite, how to set up email, Google email with your domain, and then you can add it into Fractal-CRM or whatever your own CRM platform is. So I hope that helps, and let me know if you have any questions.